What if I told you that you could completely change your financial future with a few simple investment decisions? Right now, millions of people are stuck living paycheck to paycheck, waiting for the perfect moment to start investing. They tell themselves they will start next month, next year, or when they have more money. But the truth is, time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The longer you wait, the more opportunities you miss. If you had invested just $1,000 in Amazon in the 1990s, it would be worth over $1.5 million today. If you had put that same amount into Apple in the early 2000s, you would have $500,000 right now. In Tesla, that small investment would have turned into six figures by today. But this is not just about Amazon, Apple, or Tesla. It is about understanding how to identify winning stocks before they take off. The stock market is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth, and it is accessible to anyone willing to learn. It does not matter if you are starting with just a few dollars. The key is knowing how to choose the right stocks, when to buy, and how to manage risk. In this video, I will walk you through why individual stocks are one of the best paths to wealth creation, how to research and select high-potential stocks before they explode in value, a step-by-step guide to investing smartly, even if you are a complete beginner. And if you stay until the end, I will reveal a bonus strategy that makes investing 10 times easier, a technique used by some of the world's most successful investors. Make sure you pay attention because the knowledge I'm about to share could change your financial life forever. A lot of beginner investors are told to simply put their money into index funds and forget about it. And while index funds are great for passive investing, they will never give you the kind of explosive growth that individual stocks can. The world's greatest investors, people like Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, and Cathie Wood, did not become wealthy by investing in index funds. They built their fortunes by identifying individual stocks with massive potential. Here is why investing in individual stocks can be so powerful. Higher growth potential. Unlike index funds, which spread money across hundreds of companies, individual stocks allow you to focus on companies that have the potential to grow exponentially. More control over your portfolio. When you invest in individual stocks, you decide where your money goes. You are not just following the market, you are choosing the companies you believe in. Greater learning opportunity. Investing in individual stocks forces you to understand how businesses work, how markets move, and how wealth is built over time. This knowledge will give you a huge advantage in your financial life. But the big question is, how do you actually pick the right stocks? One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is investing in companies they do not understand. You hear about a hot stock on social media, you see people hyping it up, so you jump in, hoping to make quick money. This is gambling, not investing. The legendary investor Peter Lynch once said, "Know what you own and know why you own it." This means before you invest in any company, you should be able to explain in simple terms what that company does and how it makes money. Think about the products and services you use every single day. Do you own an iPhone? That means you are part of Apple's massive customer base. Do you shop on Amazon? Then you know how powerful its e-commerce platform is. Do you watch Netflix, use Google Search, drive a Tesla? These companies did not become massive by accident. They dominate their industries because they provide real value to millions of customers. If a company is solving a real problem, growing its customer base, and generating increasing revenue, it could be a great investment opportunity. Once you have identified a company you believe in, the next step is to analyze its financials. Because no matter how popular a stock is, if the company's fundamentals are weak, it is not a good investment. Here are 3 key things you must check before investing. 1. Revenue and profit growth. A great company makes more money every year. Look at its revenue and net income over the last 5 to 10 years. Is it consistently growing? 2. Debt versus assets. Check the company's balance sheet. If a company has too much debt, that is a red flag. Strong companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft have billions in cash reserves. 3. Cash flow, the hidden secret. Just because a company reports high earnings does not mean it has real cash. Cash flow statements show whether a company is generating real money or just surviving on borrowed time. Understanding these three factors will immediately put you ahead of most investors. The key to making life-changing money in the stock market is identifying companies before they become household names. Some of the biggest companies today, like Tesla, Amazon, and Apple, were once undervalued stocks that only a few smart investors recognize. So how do you find these kinds of stocks? Look for companies with a competitive advantage. A competitive advantage is what makes a company nearly impossible to compete with. It is also known as an economic moat. For example, Apple has brand loyalty. People will buy iPhones no matter what. Amazon has an unmatched logistics network. No company can compete with its delivery system. Tesla has cutting-edge technology, years ahead of other electric vehicle makers. If a company has something that makes it nearly impossible for competitors to catch up, it has the potential to be a winning stock. If you have made it this far, here is the bonus strategy I promised. The most powerful investing strategy for beginners is called dollar cost averaging, DCA. Instead of trying to time the market, you invest a fixed amount every month, no matter what the price is. Over time, this smooths out price fluctuations and allows you to accumulate stocks at an average cost, reducing risk. This is the same strategy used by the world's top investors to build wealth with minimal stress. If you are serious about building wealth, the time to start investing is now. Even if you only have a small amount to begin with, the most important thing is to take action. In the next video, I will show you exactly how to build a winning stock portfolio from scratch. So make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. Your journey to financial independence starts today.